What's up, guys? It's Focus Trading. We are back again with another video. Today we'll be trading our Apex 250k accounts. We are on our 8th day. We're trying to secure this payment, guys. All right, so let's get into it. All right, you guys, welcome back. We are live. We are live in session. We're on our 8th day on this 250 account. We were just seeing what we can catch. All right, guys. As we can see, we started off with a push up, came down. We tried to push up again. We used that level, that overnight level. We used that level to push off of it. We made another high and then we came down. All right, guys, so I'm gonna mark this off so you guys can see this. This is the overnight. Right here. Let's do these. This line, this is a share. Trend line coming super crooked. All right, so let me delete this. Okay, so we came down into this area. We tapped off of it. We took off this morning. All right, but we came back down. As you can see, this wick right here, we came back down and tapped into it. And we can actually drag this all the way over. We came and tapped into it again. All right, now we tapped into it third time. Okay, so as you can see, pre-market 7 o'clock moved up to this area, right? And it looks like we're using liquidity from that area. Keep coming back and forth, using liquidity, building up enough momentum so we can break through the next level. Because we made a high here, came back down to this area, grabbed some liquidity, sell side, and from this area, this whole zone, right, we pushed up. We came back down again into this area, and we pushed up. We're starting to push up again off of it. So, but we're at a level, guys. If you can see on the right side, this is the 4 hour. We're at a level of previous level where we broke down from before. Okay, so if we can't break through this level right here, we'll do the same thing. Come down again. It all depends. We have some news coming out tomorrow, I believe. Yeah, we have some news coming out, I believe, tomorrow. So I believe the rally is from the news. From the news, think we're gonna get some good news or something. Right now we come down to the 15-minute. We see we're starting to make a nice little trend here. We broke out from this level. Nice little trend. Keep our eyes open for that. Right around here. Close body, right? And as you can see, we're respecting that. Every time we come down to the trend, come down to the trend, we wick off of it. And also we use that area as liquidity. We come down, grab some liquidity from that area, we keep pushing up. So the best, for you to be in the best position, we're better off if you wait and take a wait till it taps the trend line, and then take a move off of the trend line. Or if we get up here and you guys know that we're breaking back down, we're respecting the trend, we can take a sell all the way back down to the trend line, okay, if we're not strong enough. So, but we see this big buying candle, all right, big engulfing buying candle. Then we see this here. Then we see we tried to come all the way down. It's pushed all the way up, closed high, and then we had this other candle that this big sell candle. Okay, so let's see if we can catch, guys. This is on a 2 minute as well. At 2 minute, 2 minute to 5 minute, the 15 minute, and the 4 hour. All right. Okay, now, so again, head and shoulders. Hey, so you see the shoulder, head, shoulder. Okay, so you might be coming down and tap this trend line. This might be a good trade. Let's see. Right there. Stop here. All right. All right, let's go. We'll take that. We'll take that. Quick 1250, guys, and that's how you get it done. Do your proper analysis. All right, you track your move down, and you take it. Don't hesitate. All right, because you can miss the move that you've been looking for. You watching it happen. Don't hesitate. Just take the move. All right, guys. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. Today is the official day that we just dropped our website, okay? We just dropped the course website. And also, once you buy the course, you get access to the Focus Circle Discord, all right? So the links will be in the description. I would greatly appreciate if you guys would go check it out, tap in with the group, tap in with us. Also, I'm doing one-on-ones, guys. I have the link in the description, all right? FocusedTradingGroup at gmail.com via Zoom. If you purchase the course, you will get 50% off, okay? It's a 3-module course giving you my strategy, my focus trading strategy, how I look at the markets and how I can understand these things and break the market down and not be afraid to take the move when I see it, okay? Also, you get access to the Focus Circle, where we do trading signals in there, post our profits, we do giveaways, we have discount links, all right? And all YouTube videos go in there as well. And we do weekly live calls, all right, on the market breakdown, okay? So tap in with me, guys. Tap in. All right, we're building something great over here. And building indicator for you guys, okay? So it can help you guys stay in the markets longer, stay in your trades longer. All right, guys, you see it 1200, guys. We made on our 250, okay? 1100 we made on our 250 account today. Today is day 8, I believe day 8 or day 9. So yeah, that's all for this video, guys. Peace.